Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy and I've got some more happy mail. Can you believe it? Excuse me. Yes, more happy mail. Look at this. Wow. And didn't know it was coming or anything. Excuse me. I think this might shed a little bit of light on the previous happy mail. I'm not absolutely sure because there is a difference to this one. Now, this one doesn't, it says small parcel. Where's my neckline? And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's around here somewhere, and the notification bell. You'll be informed when there's new videos. And right, let's see, what does it say about sending? It was sent in the UK, so I don't know if this is the same or not. But do you remember I said that I had no clue that the previous one was coming, and I'm sure it said E. Freeman on the return sort of address bit. Well, this says E. Foreman, and so it is either two separate people, or the other one was just where it was all torn and broken. Actually said E. Foreman and not E. Freeman. But either one is a puzzlement because I wasn't expecting it. So, wow, thank you very much. Now, I'm going to open it and let's see what we've got inside. So it's very similar stuff as well. So I think it's got to be the same person. But the other one said was damaged on arrival in the UK. But this one cost £3 something to post. So it's sent in the UK. So that's what's confusing me. So this one is Vivacious 4-ply by Fiber Spates. Fiber Spates? Some lovely mauves. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Very, very nice. Gorgeous colours. Oh, wow, that's small writing. Let's have a little look-see. Vivacious Vivacious 4-ply, 100% superwash merino. Wow. And it's called 616 Crocus. There's 365 metres or 399 yards in this. But isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Gorgeous colours. Wow, thank you so much. And then, oh, I love that though. I need to give it more airtime because it's just so beautiful. And it's lovely and soft, obviously, because it's superwash merino. But that's beautiful. Perfect colours for me, that is. Although, you know, I do like any colours really. Now this one's Mariner Cozy Toes 4-ply sock yarn. And obviously that's come out of a little bit, so it's been wrapped around. But this is it. Again, really pretty colours. And they do have very small yarn bands, I have to say. Upside down, of course, because it's me. Now this is shade 2299. Anything on there? Of course, that's upside down now too. This is 75% merino wool and 25% nylon, and again it's 4-ply. Approximately 400 metres or 437 yards. You do get a lot of yarn on these 4-plies, don't you? Wow, that's lovely. And again, lovely and soft. Beautiful. Wow, I'm so blown away. Thank you so much. Whoever this is that sent me all this lovely yarn. Oh, this one looks like a beehive. It does. Look, it looks like a beehive. Wow. It's obviously caked up, but doesn't it look like a beehive, the way it's kind of shaped? I have no label on this one. There might be something inside in a moment, but again, it looks like it's definitely a 4-ply or a 3-ply, and it's a beautiful shade of green. If I bring it back, probably give you a truer colour. It's very nice. Thank you so much. Now we've got a bit of a hank that's untwisted itself, so this has got to be a bit of a delicate operation, to say the least, to not make a yarn bath. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that on my own without Gary's help, but that's beautiful colours. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Wow. Hang on a minute. I don't want to make it worse. You know, hang on. Oh, I just let go there. Ah, I've done it, guys. Look at that. So I don't know how to twist hanks. So, no idea, but it's kind of done. it's kind of in made some sense of it. So there we go. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all those colours in there. That's lovely and soft. Beautiful. No label. There's more. There's more in here. Oh, wow. Look at this. Now this again is the Fibre Spates Vivacious 4-ply. But look at these colours. Aren't they moody? I do like those. They're really kind of... Oh, nice. Nice colours. I like a bit of moody colours now and then, you know. So this is, again, 100% superwash merino. And the colour is called Tweed Imps 601. 365 metres, 399 yards, 100 grams. So it's machine washable as well at 40 degrees. So that other one, this other beautiful one is too. Wow, isn't that lovely? Look at those colours. I really like those. I might make something carry for this because it's not overly girly. So maybe I'll try and do something for Gary. And oh look, and this one, I don't think it's the same colour because it's got, oh, isn't that lovely colours? Beautiful. So let's see, this one, oh there it is. It's the same, the Fibre Spates or Fibres Pates, I don't know. Let's see what this one says. Oh, this is Tweed Imps as well, 601. So it's exactly the same, but it does look darker, doesn't it? Look at that. But they go together. Beautiful, lovely. So all the same information as that one. And I've got another one that's a little bit of a mission because it's become unravelled. So if I can, where does that one belong? Like there. I think, yep, I can do this one as well. So this one is all different pastels. Look at that. There is a few bits that are tangly, but hopefully, as I've got it like this, I will be able to, a bit more. I've never done this before in my life, guys, but look, obviously a natural. So if I get that bit there and I pull that through, it's a loose one now, but it's kind of, I'll do it again. Oh heck, hang on a minute. I might have just made a mess. No, here we are. So let's do that again. Not bad for a very first ever attempt because I've never actually tried to do this before. I'm making it a bit tight up that end. So we've got to get it so it's wants to curl up. There we go. And then maybe pull that one through there. So it's as good as it's going to get. Obviously, there are people who can do this in a really professional way. But those are beautiful colours. Look at those. Aren't they lovely? I hope I can unravel those without causing any kerfuffle. So I think, I'm not sure. No, it's not the same. I've got this little ball here, but I'm not sure what this is. It feels very, no it doesn't, this feels softer, this one, but this is just a nice little caked up bit. Beautiful colours. I don't know what it is, there's no label, but I have this one. Oh, look at these pretty colours. And this one is 4-ply sock yarn, 75% merino and 25% nylon, 4-ply. There was 400 metres, 437 yards. I'm not sure it's all there. And it is called Shade 2430. Wow. So I think, obviously, these yarns have to be the same person. So, E. Foreman, why on earth did the other one say it was damaged on arrival in the UK? I don't know. I would have thought these are the same person because they're very, very similar yarns to what was sent. And maybe it didn't say Freeman after all. So nobody's actually claimed responsibility. And this one wasn't broken open and there's no card or letter. So thank you so much for sending all this beautiful yarn to me. And the previous lot that I've received, if you are the same person or not, I'm really over the moon. It's been a while since I've had Happy Mail. And it does cheer you up no end, doesn't it? To get a bit of Happy Mail. So yeah, Lovely. Thank you so much. Well, hope you like that. Let me know what you think. I have no idea what this beehive's made from, but it does appear to be another perhaps 4-ply. They're all very, I think they're all 4-ply, these. That one does seem thinner, but I think it's just, all yarn seems thinner, don't you think? You know, we've mentioned it so many times that DK seems to be getting thinner and thinner and thinner, and almost looks like 4-ply in some instances. So, and I've not used thin yarns for quite some time. It used to be all I worked with, 4-ply. It was my main go-to size back when I used to make baby clothes. But thank you so much. I do appreciate it. So thank you for watching. Stay safe, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.